Hey, what is up guys? My name is Corey, and today we're looking at some hot and cold gel packs from a company called Vice. So first things first, the unit is very easy to use and comes with an adjustable one-size-fits-all Velcro strap. Now these gel packs are boilable, microwavable, and freezer safe. Now these gel packs are durable and extremely comfortable to use. So included in the box is 2 hot and cold gel packs, a Velcro pouch, and a Velcro strap to ensure stability. For cold therapy, this would help relieve fevers, toothaches, headaches, swelling, and sports injuries. For hot therapy, this would help with muscle pain and muscle spasms, menstrual cramps, arthritis, and joint stiffness. So no matter where your injury, whether knee, ankle, or wrist, know that Vice has you protected. Now, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about our product, please reach out to us via Amazon.